my good people, how are you? It's been a while. Yes, you've missed me, I've missed you too. So today I'm preparing some pineapple medicine. Yes, pineapple juice medicine, I think you call it that. I have already made my peels and I'm still going on peeling the other one. Yep. And I actually want to make a cough concoction. I had already prepared ginger and lemon, blended them. I blended them. Those ones I didn't put them on the I didn't heat them. Then I heat up some previous peels, pineapple peels. Yeah, previous, and I will show you the juices in a while. They're in the fridge. So I want to add some more and put honey. Yeah, put honey. This is honey from Forest Honey. Yeah, 500 grams goes for about 400 Kenyan shillings, but you know, it's that depends with the different sellers and where the honey comes from. So this is Saconem and Nutritional Herb Clinic. Yeah, they're the ones with this product from Forest Honey. I got them, they're in town, they're in Nairobi town, and I will probably give the details later. They say do not refrigerate, and yeah, it's kept certified good honey. So let me get on with it. How have you been, guys? How was your Sunday? And what was your message? Maybe you will comment. As for me, my message was from 1 Samuel chapter 13. Chapter 13? No, I got that wrong. It was from chapter 30, 33. Okay, the story of David. The story of David slain in Goliath. That was the story. And